Salta al banco, Hugo.
I was stuck in the middle of the railroad track, moving around, and I knew there was no turning back. My mind raced, and I thought, what could I do? And I knew there was no help from you. Sound of the drums beating my heart, the thunder of guns tore me apart. You've been thunderstruck.
Yo pensaba que había hecho punto E.
Went down the highway, broke the leaves, we hit the town.
¿Cómo que calla?
Went through the Texas, yeah, Texas, and we had some fun. We met some girls, some dancers who gave a good time.
Salvaje.
Broke all the rules, played all the fools, yeah, yeah, they blew my mind. I was shaking at the knees. Could I come
Me estáis mareando.
again?
Dale fuerte.
Yeah, the ladies were too kind.
Ahí, ahí.
You've been thunderstruck. Thunderstruck.
Va dominando en medio del
Thunderstruck.
El Teo como un loco corriendo.
Thunderstruck.
Ahora. Hazlo con el Teo. Ahora.
I was shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please?
Ahí es. Nivel por encima, guapo.
Thunderstruck.
Lo juego yo, lo juego.
Thunderstruck.
Ahora me gusta. Haceros correr. Ahora me gusta. Xavi está dominando el centro de la pista. El Diego borracho.
Here.
Mi abuela. ¡Ah, Nino llega, Nino llega! Espectáculo aquí, ¿eh? Punto.